There are a few mistakes which pupils commonly make when beginning to work with short division. First of all, because subtraction, addition and multiplication are column methods, and because we often do division after doing multiplication, pupils may write out the calculation as though they were doing multiplication. So they may set it out this way. They may even carry this through and then actually mistakenly multiply instead of dividing. So 3 3s are 9, 3 0s are 0, and 3 9s are 27. Because most pupils are much more confident with multiplying than they are with dividing. They may set it out in a column form, but they may actually remember to divide. What they may do though is, instead of starting with the hundreds as we have to do when we do short division, they may start with the units just as they would if they were multiplying, and they may say 3 divided by 3 is 1, 0 divided by 3 is 0, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. So they've got the right answer, but worked it out the wrong way round, which won't work normally. Similarly, they may set this out correctly as a short division, but they may again begin at the units because they're used to starting with the units when they subtract, when they add, when they multiply. And they may again get the right answer, but they work in the wrong way. And it's hard to spot this unless you see a pupil actually work in the wrong way. If there is no remainder involved in the calculation, you won't be able to see that they've got the right answer but through the wrong means, and then that will cause problems when they go on to trickier calculations. So if we look at a calculation that involves some remainders, if a pupil has set this out correctly but hasn't realised that they need to start with the first digit, in this case the hundreds, but they are used to starting with the units, so try to start with the units, they may say 6 divided by 4 is 1, and there's a remainder of 2. And then 25 divided by 4 is 6, and there's a remainder of 1. And then 18 divided by 4 is 4, and there's a remainder, so there's a remainder of 2 which will stick on the end. So a clue that they've gone wrong here is this first digit has got a remainder, which if we are working correctly can't possibly happen. If they work the correct way, the other place they may go wrong is in writing the remainder. So 8 divided by 4 is 2, 5 divided by 4 is 1, and there's a remainder of 1. They may write it on the wrong side of a digit and get 61. And this causes a big problem because then they're trying to work out how many 4's in 61,